Welcome. We're going to move real gently today and connect our breath with each movement. So as we turn and twist very gently, start to look to the side. As you look to the right, inhale. To the left, exhale. Inhale, exhale. A real mindful practice today. Very gentle movements, but we're going to bring all of our attention, all of our focus onto our breath and linking our breath to each and every movement. Breathe in and out. Maybe just pick up the pace just a little bit as you shift your body weight from side to side. Brilliant. Okay. Now, breathe in, arms come up. Breathe out, arms come down. Sink down just a little bit, reach all the way up. Exhale, arms come down. Bend your knees, reach all the way up. Breathing in, reaching up high. Exhale. Find the flow and let's go. I've chosen a spot where there could be some distractions today. People walking by, noises in our environment. Perfect. The whole point is to notice the distractions in our environment, to notice when we get distracted by the distraction, and simply guide our attention back to the movement and to our breath. Breathe in, out. Begin to look up to the sky, creating mobility in the upper back, the neck, really heating up our shoulders and arms, building that strength in our legs, but more importantly, getting a real sense of presence and awareness. Okay, well done. Now, shift your weight from side to side. One hand comes to the lower back, one hand comes to your navel, head up high. Notice your breathing and very gradually begin to tap a little higher each time. Come up to the chest and the upper back. And now over the shoulders. Feel that great stretch. Continue to shift your body weight from side to side. Breathe in, out. And now let's start to go down again. And just be here at the lower back and the navel just for a moment. Head up high. Now, let's step to the side. With a little bit of pace here, we can connect mind, body, breath all together when we're moving quickly as well. Continue to build stamina each and every day. Nice tap. Reach as far as you can. Breathe in and out, in and out. Get to the middle, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out. That's what we want. A little bit more pace. Twist a little bit further as well. Building that amazing mobility in our spine and lower back. Oh yeah. Okay. take a moment, just a very brief moment. Bring your feet in together, narrow stance. And let's just be. Maybe you notice some tingling in your fingertips. Just stand in mountain pose. Especially after doing something that adds a cardio element. That's when we really want to connect to our breath. We'll recover much more quickly. We calm our nervous system. With our narrow stance still, just put your hands on your hips and begin to make some circles. Head up high. And some real concentrated breathing. Breathe in and out. And out. You find the movement and the breath that works for you. And just go a few more times in a clockwise manner, or whichever way you were going. But now let's reverse the circle. Head up, chin up, and connect to your breath. Don't forget to smile. We get to move our bodies. We get to notice our breath. We get to feel the beating of our heart. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go. Push one arm up, the other arm down. Bring your palm like it's reaching to the sky. And then if you like, you're welcome to come up onto your tippy toes, onto the balls of your feet. We're building that great core stability and balance. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Feel it in the calf muscles, but really connect to your breath. If you lose the rhythm or the breath, it's unimportant. Just come back whenever you can. Couple more here. Last one. Arms are coming way back. We're gonna back bend. Arms are coming up big. Narrow the stance just a little bit, and then come on in. Bring your elbows and knees all together. Breathe in, get big, and exhale. Elbows and knees together. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Get real big back bend. Breathe out. Now just flow. And out. Come on down. Really get as low as you can. Bring everything together. Last one here. Open up big. Oh, yes. Shake that out for a moment. Up on the balls of your feet. Shake, shake, shake. Prayer posture. Point your fingers down. Gentle squat, arms come up. Prayer overhead. To your sternum, point the fingers down, and again. Big breath in and out. Breathe in and out. Two more, just like this. Oh, that's it right there. Okay, now We started like this. This is going to be very different than we've done, but we're going to take 2 points of attention. I want you to find a spot on your left and one on your right. If you just want to do your normal single point attention, just be and do it. I'm going to turn and twist and find that one spot. One spot here, one spot there. Find that spot, give it laser-like attention, and then bring your attention to the next spot. Do your very best. Enjoy. Well done, everybody. That was different. Somehow I could feel my energy rising tremendously through that. This ability to give laser-like attention here, here, here. We're building such an ability to focus and concentrate, to pay attention to the things that matter most to us. Whoa. Unbelievable. Let me know how it went. I'm truly grateful for you. I hope the energy is raised. I know my concentration level certainly has been increased. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.